dear students, class 8th grammar and me 7th topic that is modals. को पता है modals क्या होते हैं? Modals होते हैं use of can, could, will, would, must, ought, need, dare. ये सब modals होते हैं. इन्हें कैसे यूज़ करते हैं? सबका यूज़ अलग अलग होता है. मैं आपको बताऊंगी. इससे पहले ये फटाफट वाली एक्टिविटी है, होमवर्क. ये सब इंस्ट्रक्शंस हैं. इंग्लिश में क्या करके लाना है, जीके क्या करके लाना है, मैथ्स साइंस में क्या करके लाना है, सोशल साइंस में क्या करके लाना है. ये सब आपकी डायरी का होमवर्क है. आपका फ्रेंड नहीं आया और आपको वो होमवर्क उसे बताना है, तो आप क्या मैसेज करोगे उसे या क्या बताओगे? यू हैव टू रीच पेजेस 41 to 20 of our English reader book and might need to find the meanings in the dictionary. We must research and write an essay on Pepsi company CEO Indra Nooyi. We have to revise quadrilaterals and can attempt questions 4 to 10 on pages 32 of our maths textbook. We require to dry 5 different kinds of leaves for the science project. Bomik sir may give a test, so we should study lesson 4 to 6 of social science. ठीक है, आगे चलते हैं. सर्टेनिटी यानी कि जो चीज़ पोस्टपोन्ड है, अभी कल होगी, उसके लिए विल शैल यूज़ करते हैं. इंटेंशन विल के लिए एबिलिटी जो चीज़ आप कर सकते हो उसके लिए कैन, पास्ट में कुड. पॉसिबिलिटी या जो कोई ब्लेसिंग होती है, विश होती है, उसके लिए मे और माइट होता है. और गॉड ब्लेस यू, मे गो टू वॉशरूम, और माइट माने शायद. द इवनिंग्स फ्लाइट माइट बी कैंसल बिकॉज ऑफ बैड वेदर. माइट, शायद. Fill in the blanks with modals, auxiliaries. I might be able to get that book for you. Usha should be home by now. We may go to Sri Lanka for a holiday this year. They will not let us in if we are late. The shops may be closed now. Take these books with you. They might be useful. The information could be true. I do not know. He could be an American. It might rain later. Take an umbrella with you. Try this new pickle. You will like it. B. Fill in the blanks with suitable modals from the box to complete. Diya, I am sorry. I shan't. Shan't होता है shall not complete. Be able to attend the concert. Rohit, I won't. Won't होता है will not का short form. Won't. अच्छा नहीं, रोहित आई नहीं है. Rohit, won't you be able to come for at least an hour? Diya, I will try my best, but most probably I won't be able to make it. I will certainly come for the show next week. Naveen sir, I will definitely return the book tomorrow. Librarian, I must warn you that if you fail to return the book tomorrow, I shan't accept any excuse. Naveen, I shan't forget to get the book. I will always remember your kindness. Policeman, you have defaulted. Shouldn't you have stopped at the red signal of the traffic light? Driver, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have done so. I shall be careful next time. Policeman, you shall have to pay a fine of rupees 500. Driver, where will you pay the fine? Where will I pay the fine? Policeman, you may pay it at the police station closest to your house. Got it? आगे बढ़ते हैं. कैन और कुड. कैन कहाँ और कुड कहाँ यूज़ होता है, उसके एक्सप्लेनेशन हमें मिले हैं. से समथिंग दैट इज़ पॉसिबल, जो कि चीज़ पॉसिबल हो. यू कैन गेट क्रैम्प्स इफ़ यू स्वीट, मतलब ऐसा करोगे तो ऐसा हो जाएगा, तो कैन. टू से दैट समवन नोज हाउ टू डू दिस, जो आपको कुछ चीज़ करना आता हो. आई कैन स्विम इन द वाटर. Say that someone has the ability to do something. Rabi wants to be an artist because he can draw and sketch very well. With verbs like see, I can feel, I can remember. Ask permission. Can I Can I hold the books from you? Could is used in the past tense to talk about someone's ability. We could read when he was there. To replace can in report speech. You can't take the books home. She said that I couldn't take the books home. The words like सी इसके past tense में मतलब सब रीड कर लेना आप, ठीक है. मैं स्टार्ट करती हूँ एक्सरसाइज. चूज द करेक्ट मॉडल्स. Once in Olympics, the abode of the 12 Greek gods, Jesus created a bull, Prometheus created a man, and Athena made a house. Jesus suggested that they should ask Momus to judge their work. Now, Momus could not bear to see wonderful creations of three gods. He looked at the bull and complained, Jesus, if you would have better, you would have been better if you had put the eyes of the bull on its horn. That would have enabled the animal to see whom he was butting. Then Momus looked at the man created by Prometheus. He cried, you ought to होती है आपकी ड्यूटी, आपको करना ही है. Have thought of the wicked thoughts man sometimes has. If you would have attached the mind somewhere outside the body, everyone could have read the evil thoughts and wickedness would have been hidden. Then looking at Athens' house, he mourned, Oh, Athena, you should have placed the house on wheels. Then at least men could have moved away from a neighbor who might have turned out to be a row. Then looking at 3, Momus ordered, You must redo your work. Hearing this, Jesus was so angered that he said, You must leave Olympus immediately. Hence, Momus was exiled. Rewrite these sentences using can or cannot. Do you know how to cook? Can you cook? Where can I find someone to fix my shoes? ये fix है, FIX है. He needs help because he can't see very well. Can any of my friends ride a motorcycle? I am sorry, I can't recall the name of the book just now. I can work on the computer now, but I wasn't be able to 2 years ago. I don't think we can make it to home before it starts raining. Fill in the blanks with couldn't and could. I haven't completed the history project. I couldn't find a web link to get more information on Mughal architecture. You could have called me up. I would have told you. Last evening I wanted to contact you, but I just couldn't recall your phone number. Why couldn't you ask Monica for my number? I could have, but I couldn't recall her number either. How strange. How could you have forgotten your friend's phone number? You see, a few years ago, the numbers in my mother's mobile phone got deleted and we couldn't retrieve them. As a result, we have lost most of our contacts. Sheila, no wonder my parents keep saying that there could be nothing better than recording numbers in a diary. Leila, do you think I could come over to your house today? Sheila, yes, do come as we must complete the work today. Must or must not? Must. I used to say it is necessary, जो आपको करना ही पड़ेगा in present tense and future. To take opinion, you must read the book, you must wake up early. Should and ought. Should होता है to do right things, और ये होता है जो आपकी ड्यूटी बनती है. गुड एडवाइस, गुड ओपिनियन के लिए ये दोनों यूज़ होते हैं. आप अच्छे से रीड कर लेना, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. रूल्स दैट rule the school. We should wear clean uniform. We must be punctual. We should be courteous towards seniors. We ought to respect workers on the campus. We mustn't use the swings in the kindergarten. We mustn't run down the corridors, etc., etc., etc. Shall we complete the news report with suitable modals? A car proceeding towards the city collided against a tree. The car driver Vinay could not see the road through the darkness and the dense fog that had enveloped the area. The loud sound arrested the attention of a passerby. Mahesh, who otherwise would not have seen the victim in the dark, he called for an ambulance and informed the police. The ambulance that ought to have reached within 10 minutes took almost half an hour to arrive at the spot. By then, the police had already taken the driver to the nearest hospital. The police declared that if they might have brought Vinay 10 minutes later, he would have lost his life. This prompt action of the police saved the life that might have been lost. Keeping the accident in view, it has been decided that soon the highway will be equipped with solar lights. It has also been suggested that there ought to be government-run first aid center every 5 kilometers on the highway. It should be the duty of the government to safeguard the lives of the people, but every citizen like Mahesh must do his duty of extending timely help to victims like Vinay. Need, use, dare. Need not, don't, need are also used as modals to give permission. You need to complete it by tomorrow. Used is we want to talk about something that existed or was habitually done in the past. We used to go to temple in the morning when we were young. Dare not means बिल्कुल नहीं हिम्मत होनी चाहिए आपकी ये करने की. Use modals to make sentences with these group of words. You need not clean the room today. I dare not go home without finishing the work. I must go home at dinner time. Tell the truth. You ought to tell the truth. He should come to school. I dare not complain to the teacher. I used to go for long walks. I used to go, यहाँ से आ जाएगा, for long walks every morning in the summer. We can manage things. ये थी मॉडल्स हो गई हैं. जल्दी लेके आऊँगी नेक्स्ट वीडियो. थम्स अप करिए. कौन सी वीडियो चाहिए कमेंट सेक्शन में बता दो. वीडियो तुरंत आ जाएगी. बाय बाय.